Friends, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video clip, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily make video calls on Facebook Messenger. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under the video, and also be sure to write your comments and subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get started. And first of all, please open the Facebook Messenger app on your device. After that, you will need to find the person you would like to make this video call with. Find the correspondence you have with them, or you can enter the name of the person into the search box if you don't have a correspondence with them yet. Once you find that person, click on them. And at the top, you'll see a camera sign on the right-hand side. You will need to click on that sign. Then you'll need to allow access to the camera and access to the microphone, and then the video call will start. And you will just have to wait for the person to accept the call from you. This is the way, friends, you will be able to make video calls on Facebook Messenger quickly and easily. I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please don't forget to write your comments. Also, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.